Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best PS4 accessories are probably one of the most crucial elements to elevate your gaming experience, transforming a good session into an unforgettable adventure, and with so many options available, from enhanced controllers that offer superior grip and customizable buttons to high-fidelity headsets that immerse you in the game's audio landscape, and even external storage solutions to ensure you never have to delete a favorite title, choosing the right gear can make all the difference in your virtual escapades. Number 5. Seagate Game Drive for PS4 Systems 2 TB. Tired of deleting your favorite games to make space for new ones? With 2 TB of storage, you can keep over 50 games readily available. This drive is officially licensed for your PS4 console, ensuring seamless operation and perfect compatibility. It works directly with the console's firmware. Get into the action faster with a simple, step-by-step setup. Just plug it in via USB 3.0, no external power cable needed. It features the classic black and blue design that perfectly complements your PS4. This compact accessory is ready to go wherever your adventures take you. Don't let storage limitations hold you back. Expand your gaming world and keep all your titles in one place. What we like. Need more space for your games? This officially licensed external hard drive offers a massive 2 TB of storage, enough for over 50 games. It's officially licensed for PS4, ensuring seamless compatibility and operation. If you're constantly deleting games to make room for new ones, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The controller has a great feel and the buttons are responsive. The charging dock is very convenient and keeps the controllers organized. The headset provides clear audio and is comfortable for long gaming sessions. Number 4. NUBWO G06 Wireless Gaming Headset. Experience flawless, zero-latency wireless audio for your intense gaming sessions. Our proprietary 2.4 GHz technology ensures uninterrupted connectivity, even alongside other wireless devices and Wi-Fi networks. Keep the game going with an incredible 100 hours of playtime on a single charge. Thanks to its high-capacity battery and efficient chipset, you can enjoy extended gaming without interruption. Stay connected in 2 ways simultaneously. Use the 2.4 GHz dongle for ultra-low latency on consoles and PC, while Bluetooth 5.3 connects to your smartphone for calls and music. Never miss a beat or a call. Easily switch to answer incoming calls with a single button press, without disrupting your gaming experience. Connect to virtually any device. It supports 2.4 GHz wireless for PC and consoles, Bluetooth 5.3 for mobile, and a 3.5mm wired connection for broader compatibility. Hear every detail with immersive 3D surround sound. Pinpoint enemy footsteps or enjoy the epic audio of your favorite games with our 50mm drivers. Achieve true-to-life immersion with seamless audio-video synchronization. Our proprietary wireless chip ensures you're always in sync with the action on screen. What we like. Experience true wireless freedom with zero-latency audio. This headset boasts an incredible 100-hour battery life, so you can game all day and night. Its dual wireless capabilities allow you to connect to your console and phone simultaneously. If you demand uninterrupted, high-fidelity audio and the ability to multitask without missing a beat, this headset is for you. What people say. The controller has a great ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hands for extended gaming sessions. This charging station can charge 2 controllers simultaneously, significantly reducing downtime between games. The headset provides immersive audio with clear sound quality, allowing you to hear every detail of the game. Number 3. NUBWO G06 Wireless Gaming Headset. Experience flawless wireless connectivity with our advanced 2.4 GHz technology. It ensures zero latency and no interference, even with other wireless devices or Wi-Fi networks, for 100% uninterrupted immersion. Enjoy an incredible 100 hours of continuous gameplay on a single charge. Our high-capacity battery and low-power chipset technology provide significantly reduced energy consumption. Stay connected in 2 ways simultaneously. The 2.4 GHz dongle provides ultra-low latency for consoles and PCs, while Bluetooth 5.3 connects to your smartphone. You can even answer calls without interrupting your game. This headset works with virtually all your devices. Seamlessly switch between 2.4 GHz wireless for PC and consoles, Bluetooth 5.3 for mobile, and a 3.5 mm wired connection for others like Xbox and Switch. Dominate the competition with immersive 3D surround sound. Our 50mm drivers and proprietary wireless chip deliver pinpoint audio accuracy, allowing you to hear every detail and react faster. Our proprietary 2.4 GHz wireless technology guarantees zero interference and zero audio latency. This ensures a seamless and responsive gaming experience, especially for fast-paced titles. What we like. Enjoy lag-free gaming across multiple platforms with this versatile headset. With a phenomenal 100-hour battery life, your gaming sessions will never be cut short. It offers triple mode compatibility, connecting wirelessly to your PS4 PC, via Bluetooth to your phone, or wired to other consoles. If you're a gamer who switches between devices frequently and needs reliable, long-lasting audio, this headset is an excellent choice. What people say. The controller has a great grip and feels comfortable during long gaming sessions. This charging station can charge 2 controllers simultaneously, saving time and space. The headset provides immersive sound quality, making games more engaging. Number 2. FIFINE A6T White Gaming USB Microphone Kit. Setting up your new microphone is a breeze. Just plug it in and you're ready to go for gaming, streaming, or podcasting. The long USB cable easily reaches your console or computer, even in low light. Enhance your live streams with stunning gradient RGB lighting. This microphone adds a vibrant gaming aesthetic to your setup, captivating your audience both in and out of the game. Easily control your audio levels with the convenient volume knob. Stay in sync with your team and audience, and quickly mute yourself when needed with the integrated mute function, indicated by the RGB light. Experience clean and fluent audio thanks to the cardioid pickup pattern that minimizes background noise. This microphone ensures smooth communication, connecting you and your teammates to victory. The included boom arm and shock mount position the microphone perfectly, bringing it closer to your voice and further from unwanted noise. Accessories like the pop filter significantly reduce popping and vibration sounds. Inside the box, you'll find the microphone with shock mount, pop filter, boom arm stand, USB-C cable, C-clamp, and user manual. The C-clamp securely attaches to desks up to 2 inches thick. What we like. Elevate your streaming and gaming audio with this easy-to-use USB microphone. Its vibrant gradient RGB lighting adds a stylish touch to your setup. The cardioid pickup pattern ensures your voice is clear and minimizes background noise. If you're looking for a microphone that's simple to set up, sounds great, and looks fantastic on camera, this is the one for your gaming station. What people say. The controller has a comfortable grip and responsive buttons, making it ideal for long gaming sessions. This charging station can charge 2 controllers simultaneously, significantly reducing downtime between games. The headset provides immersive audio with clear sound quality, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Number 1. FIFINE AmpliGame A6T Gaming USB Microphone. Get started right away with this plug-and-play microphone. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and PlayStation consoles, making setup a breeze. The reversible Type-C connector ensures you can plug it in easily, even in low light. Enhance your gaming setup with its dynamic 2-tone RGB lighting. This feature adds a vibrant and eye-catching element to your stream or gameplay, helping your content stand out. Easily manage your audio with the convenient touch mute button on top and the large volume knob at the bottom. Adjust settings quickly without interrupting your game or workflow. Experience clear and warm vocal reproduction thanks to its upgraded condenser capsule and cardioid polar pattern. It effectively captures your voice from the front while minimizing background noise, perfect for team communication. Achieve the perfect mic position with the adjustable boom arm, offering nearly 180 degrees rotation. The included shock mount and detachable pop filter further reduce unwanted vibrations and popping sounds for pristine audio. This package includes everything you need: the microphone with shock mount, pop filter, boom arm stand, USB cable, and C-clamp. It's designed to mount securely to desks up to 2 inches thick. What we like. Get crystal clear audio for your games and streams with this plug-and-play USB microphone. The cool, two-tone RGB lighting adds a dynamic visual flair to your setup. Its adjustable boom arm allows for optimal microphone placement, ensuring the best sound quality. If you're a gamer or streamer who values both excellent audio performance and an eye-catching aesthetic, this microphone is a fantastic addition to your rig. What people say. This controller has a great feel and is very responsive. The charging dock is a convenient way to keep controllers powered up and ready to go. The headset provides clear audio and is comfortable for long gaming sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.